As we come to the Hofal perfect, remember that the name of the binyan, in this case Hofal, gives a tip-off as to the spelling and vowel pattern of the binyan. So in this case, the he of Hofal, the H sound, tells us there's a prefix te, and then the O sound gives us a tip as to the initial vowel, the vowel under the prefix, and the A vowel in the name Hofal gives us a sense of the theme vowel. In fact, the Hofal perfect will share the prefix te that you are familiar with from chapter 16 in the Hifil, but its initial vowel will be either a kibbutz, an U sound, or a kametz hatuf, an O sound. Recall two things. First, from chapter 1, section 3, that these two vowels are related, both being U-class vowels. And second, that the kametz hatuf only occurs in a closed and unaccented syllable, which is in fact what happens at the beginning of a Hofal perfect. There are in fact then two types of Hofal perfects, a U type or U type and an O type or A type. The paradigms then are, starting with the U type, Huktal, Huktala, Huktalta, Huktalt, Huktalti, Huktalu, Huktaltim, Huktaltin, and Huktalnu. Then, beginning with the O type, we have Hoktal, Hoktala, Hoktalta, Hoktalt, Hoktalti, Hoktalu, Hoktaltim, Hoktaltin, Hoktalnu. As with the other derived stems, you do not need to memorize these paradigms, but you should be familiar with them and able to parse any verb that occurs in the paradigm.